Wild orchid. Tingnan niyo po mga kaibigan, ang ganda po ng wild orchid. Tatapos lang po niya mag bulaklak dito sa puno ng fruit bearing tree na tinatawag nilang balingag dito sa Camarines Sur sa Sipokot. Pagkaganda po. Ayan po. Wild orchid. Ayan po ang bunga ng balingag. Napakalawak. Ang ganda. Gamit ng kawayan. Daming anahaw. Tingnan niyo po, ang ganda ng anahaw mga kaibigan. Napakaganda. Nagkakamali, ito ay santol. Yeah. Yung sampalo. Mangga. What kind of plant is this? Look at that. Oh, daming bunga. There's a lot of fruit. I don't know if it's an eatable kind of fruit. Comment po below kung ano po ang tawag dito. So ang daming anahaw dito mga kaibigan. Anywhere you look, there's an anahaw. Look at that. I miss this kind of place because there's no like this in Manila. Fresh air, a very relaxing place. I really love it. I wish I could buy a land in this area. Someone pick up some buko, young coconut, buko. You know, in Manila it's very expensive. It costs 45 to 35 pesos per piece, but here you can get it for free. See how nice to live in this kind of area than living in the city. I prefer to stay in this kind of place till my last breath. I want to stay here. Lord, I pray that I can have a land, even just a small piece of land. Hope you will allow me to buy a small land here in this area, because I really love it. I really like it. See, it's a nice place, quiet, very relaxing, fresh air. I don't want to live in the city anymore. I want to stay here. Look at that. See, very quiet place. You can't hear any cars, no pollution, everything is fresh. As long as you are hardworking, you can plant a lot of vegetable and fruit trees. You will live. Look at that. Napakaganda po mga kaibigan. Presko po. There's a lot of star apple. Look at that. Yun, there's a big anahaw pala. Oh, nice. Big anahaw. From the small one. See, from the small one, I was surprised it was grown up over there. See, my friends. And where are the birds? Because early morning you can hear a lot of birds. Sounds of different kinds of birds, but now only few. Maybe they are relaxing, they are sleeping. Maganda po. Oh, there's a bird.